Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Bitfinex. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right down the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. And once you're inside there, go to the Bitfinex homepage. And once you're inside homepage, be sure to be logged into your account. Now what you need to do is head over to your assets, select the crypto from which you want to withdraw. And now once you have selected, click on the three dot icon, and once you click on it, you'll be having two options, that is deposit and withdraw. Simply click on withdraw, and once you click on withdraw, you'll be sent to this page, withdraw Ethereum or withdraw your selected cryptocurrency. Now all you gotta do is paste the wallet address that you want to send it to, and once you paste it, all you gotta do is enter in the amount. And now check this both boxes and then click on request withdrawal. After your withdrawal has been confirmed, you'll be required two-factor authentication. Now all you gotta do is enter in your Google Authenticator 2FA token, and once you enter it and then click on authenticate, your withdrawal will be authenticated. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.